When Windows 11 starts acting up, you don't always need to start from scratch, so let's learn how to refresh your system and get things running smoothly again without losing your precious files. First, let's dive into the settings. Click the Start button, the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. A menu will pop open, then click on Settings. Within Settings, navigate to System and then select Recovery. This is our gateway to the reset process. In the recovery options, look for Reset This PC. Click the Reset PC button now. You'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Choosing Keep My Files is the key to preserving your data. Select that option. Next, you'll choose how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose between cloud download or local reinstall. These options impact how Windows is reinstalled, but since your goal is preservation of your files, pick whichever method you like best. But local reinstall may allow for more efficiency. Before proceeding, you'll see a list of apps or programs that will be removed. This is standard during refresh procedures. Make a mental note of any programs you'll need to reinstall afterward. On the Ready to Reset This PC screen, confirm everything looks good and click Reset. It may take some time to complete process. Be patient, your system will restart, and the refresh will begin. The reset process starts automatically. It will take some time for the system to be reconfigured and rebuilt. This process depends on your system. Don't interrupt it. Once complete, you'll find your Windows 11 installation refreshed. Most importantly, your personal files and settings will be preserved. Some programs may need to be reinstalled afterward. Now you're back to square one with a more stable system.